Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. It's 3:10 p.m. on Wednesday. So I'm getting ready to make some nachos. Okay, I got about 2 pounds of meat. Already been in it. I made a hamburger earlier, much earlier. So it was 2 2/4 pounds of meat. So now I got about 2 pounds left, or a little over 2 pounds. Okay, I got the extra lean ground beef, so I don't have to be siphoning out grease. So I got 3 packs of the taco seasoning mix. And I got some water. You always need water when you put the mix in there. So that's all you need for the taco meat. Okay. And I got this kind of cheese to go on the nachos. This by On the Border salsa con queso. I got the chopped romaine mix. Rather than use shredded lettuce. I got the salsa, this kind of salsa. Yum yum. I got some jalapenos, the hot jalapenos. I bought some more black olives. I love black olives. I get the little cups because I'm the only one eating them. Walter he ain't gonna touch it. What else I got? It look like this. And I got 2 types of chips. I always get the spicy Doritos. And I got these regular chips. I call all these Doritos, but I was trying to find what they are. Tortilla chips. Oh, tortilla chips, yeah. They still Doritos. Okay, let's get started. And Walter wants some fries, so I got some fries in the air fryer. I'll show y'all that in a few minutes. Okay, let me lower this. I wanted nachos yesterday, but I had stopped at Popeyes and bought some chicken, and Walter had came in with some Harold's, so didn't need all that. Okay, I'm using my Time and Table black speckled cookware for the meat, and I'm using this from an old set I got for the cheese. This was the KitchenAid set. That's the last gift my mother bought me before she passed away. Nice set of KitchenAid cookware, and it's seen better days, y'all. Okay, let's start with the meat. I'll take it. Okay. I'm going to be opening everything. I'm waiting for that to cook. You're supposed to use 1 pack of mix per pound of meat. But I add extra because I like it seasoned and it won't be too salty. If you don't have taco mix, you can use chili mix and vice versa. It's all about the same thing. this because Walter likes the smooth sauce. I like the chunky salsa. Always listen for the top to pop. And pour the leftover cheese back in the jar. So I'm going to keep that. Look. Okay. One of these. What they look like. Make out some love them. Love more pizza too. Okay, when this meat is done, I'll be back. Okay, the meat is done. No more pink. So we put the seasoning packets in here. and the water. And let this water cook down. There's no grease because I use lean ground beef, so there's no grease. So let this simmer and cook down. And it will. I guarantee. Now I'm going to turn the cheese on. I have to watch it because it warms up fast and it'll get to popping. You cover this for a few minutes. Even though the water will reduce faster if I left the top off, but I don't want it popping all over the stove. And I got to clean it. I think that's all the trash I got. So throw this away. And let's take this out of here. I don't know if y'all can hear the air fryer or not, but it's going, so the fries are cooking. And I don't want no fries. I want the nice fries. Nicely. That cheese is heated because I don't want it popping. Okay, now I'll just deal with this. Got the slotted spoon. Let that cook down. And I will be back. Okay, y'all. I'm through cooking. Here's my plate. I'm gonna make a thumbnail. Well, the fries are done. Okay, let me take this off. Okay, here's my nachos, y'all. I didn't want the sour cream. I purposely didn't put none on here. Okay, so I got the meat. I got two kinds of chips. I got the hot jalapeno peppers. I got black olives. I got the cheese. And I got the shredded, some kind of salad mix. And I'm ready to grub. Okay, thumbnail. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. It's still steaming, y'all. Y'all want to see? I gotta eat this with a fork because I got a lot of stuff on here. Get a little of the meat and a little of the salsa. Should have made this with Cinco de Mayo. This is good eating, y'all. Look at that. Okay. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Bon appetit. Bye.